mentioned this right at the beginning of the show, Keith. 94 at 5:30.
Yeah.
That, first of all, is a little bit unusually hot.
Yeah.
But I noticed today, as I went out and I sat in my car before I left for work, I don't know, 10 seconds with the windows open,
Yeah.
and I started to sweat.
Yes.
That, to me, told me how humid it was.
Yeah, very immediate. And it reminded me of, because you lived in the South for a while and I did too,
yeah.
where
Yeah, it did.
I would use the remote start sometimes in the summer a little there, because you'd get in, I was wearing suits, you'd get in and just like instant, boom. And I'm not really a sweaty person, but it's just like.
My sunglasses would also, I'd step out the front door of my apartment and the lenses would go.
That's actually a good
moisture.
test for like how humid it is. But the temperatures today, we actually officially got to 94, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
We're holding in the 90s, even along the coast at 5:45, which is
late.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
late. And like Bar Harbor, 87, 91 in Rockland, those are big numbers for them. Portsmouth has been really hot lately, 99 there, 99 in Manchester. Actually, it's interesting. We had to, Ryan looked through the data to see that we had a 94 instead of the 93 that showed up here. I wonder if there was a 100 here that we'll find out later when the official report comes in. But either way, 99 and 100, I don't know. You know, it's hot. It's still sitting in the 90s. Wells, 98. Kittery, 98. Again, this is, you could go to work 9 to 5, get out, go to the beach and have it be 98. That's pretty hot. Doesn't happen very often here, right? 91 in Bangor, still 86 in Bar Harbor. So I would anticipate with the 551 temperature reading that those will go down a bit, but still. Visible satellite looks good. A lot of clear skies. It'll be clear tonight. Temperatures will be in the 70s through a lot of the night, then into the 60s by early tomorrow morning. And we've always looked at tomorrow as a transition day where we're going to have a front come through with some showers and some thunderstorms. That's still the case. But the front looks a little bit slower and it looks a little bit weaker as far as its thunderstorm production. And as a result of that, it gives us more time to warm up tomorrow. So this is 11 a.m. tomorrow and temperatures are in the 80s, mid and upper 80s in some cases, on the way to the low 90s. Some of the same spots that got to 90 today might be able to do it again. We do pop up thunderstorms through the afternoon. Not everyone gets in on one of these. You can see they're kind of scattered around. And this is just a guess by this model as to where those are. It's not verbatim going to happen this way, but there'll be some storms around. Some of those could be strong to severe. Storm Prediction Center put us in a slight risk area, and that has to do with the strong wind gust potential and potentially some hail. But again, not everybody gets one of these. Only some of them, a few of them may be strong. The front moves to our south Wednesday night. The problem is it doesn't go that far. So it's down here, meaning that on Thursday evening into kind of Thursday night, early Friday morning, southern Maine will get clipped with some showers. And really, very quickly, that goes from showers, maybe in the Portland area, down to legitimate rain right near the border in New Hampshire. So that's something we'll have to watch for that time period. We put showers over southern Maine. That's just that zone, maybe the bottom fifth or so of the state. The rest of the state should stay dry, partly sunny, a bit coolish on Friday. The weekend still looks great. It'll be in the upper 70s on Saturday, low to mid 80s on Sunday. So just a matter of pure preference there. Nice into early next week as well. Probably until Wednesday. The wheels might fall off the wagon at the end of the week, but whatever. It's 10 days away, so we'll get there.
Plenty of time to figure that out. In the meantime, 2 back-to-back nice weekend days. Traditional weekend.
Remember when we couldn't do any of that?
Nope. And July has made up for June.
Yeah, distant memory.
Nice work, July.
Yeah,
Thanks, Keith.